Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now tap on the profile of the person that you want to report. Click on the report icon just beside three vertical dots in the top section of your screen. Here you can either add in your email address or skip it. Similarly, tap on choose a category option. And here you can choose a reason for reporting this person. Then tap on select option. Similarly, if you want to add details, tap on add details option. Type in the detail. Then tap on save option. After you're done, click on the send option in the top right corner. And that is how you can report someone on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.